Here's the wreath that we made at my wreath class that I hosted this weekend in Comac, New York. We're working on fall wreaths, and I like to teach a basic wreath so that someone that's never made a wreath before can feel accomplished. It's easy to finish up in the time frame. We usually complete it in about an hour and a half. They get a choice of 2 or 3 signs. I provide all of the supplies, like these beautiful color ribbons. And everyone goes home with a ready to hang wreath. I love teaching, and everyone is very happy. They feel like they're a crafter. I've had some of my students go home and right away make their own wreath on their own. And I've actually had 2 people start their own wreath business after having classes with me. If you would like to purchase this wreath, it is available in my Etsy shop, Craftytherapybyl.